Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will be assembling the Hotchkiss H39 model kit. This one is available at Miniature Tanks Company, miniaturetanks.com. So first of all, here we have all the parts of this kit. There is going to be some parts here that require some sprue cutting. So take your sprue cutters and cut away at these parts of the kit. Now take the sprue cutter and cut this plastic support from underneath this gun. Careful with the smaller scales. This is HO scale, so it's fairly small. There you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward because we'll do the German version of this turret. It's the same process. Alright, so the cutting away process is not done yet. Those are the turrets, and here is the tail of the tank. This tail piece. So carefully cut away there. Right, and cut away like this. And there you go. And cut like this. It's pretty intricate detail here because this is HO scale that I'm working with. So you'll probably, if you have bought this in HO scale, 50mm or whatever, this will be what you're doing. But if you buy it in 28mm or bigger scale, then it should just be even a little more easy for you. Alright, so there's the cutting away process. Pretty good. So let's start to glue together pieces of this kit together. Go ahead and put some glue down here along this edge here. There you go. And then do this. So up next is take this part like that, put some glue along these edges here, and just go ahead and put like some glue on there. There you go. And then put some glue here and there. Alright, the main body of this tank is done. Let's go ahead and set this aside for now. Let's glue together this turret. So here, put some glue like there, there, there. Don't let that happen. And then trying to put this cylinder in the middle. All right, then there you go. Try it out there. That should be good. And then Same process for the German version of the turret. I'm not going to glue it on this video because you get the idea. Now let's do the tracks. Put some glue here and there. And get the geared version of the geared side of the track facing forward on the tank. Placing it down like this, using this front thing as a reference and such. Let's do the other side. There you go. Tank is assembled with that turret in there. And so at this point, you are done the Hotchkiss H39. However, if you wish, you can glue on the tail. So let's go ahead and glue on this tail here. Just put some glue like that. And then using the table to help me line this up. You can see how that gets glued in there. So essentially, just put a bunch of glue there, and that'll get that glued in the correct place. Alright, so once that tail is in a good position there, take some glue, put it there, and there. For this process, you probably will want this type of thing. There you go. And take some glue there, and there. These tweezers. Alright, there you have it. Now there's the Hotchkiss H39 with the tail. And then of course, if you wish, the German version of the turret, up to you. Thank you so much for watching.